Hi everyone, my name is Harim Tamayo. I'm 19 years old and I'm currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Social Work at Caraga State University. The biggest challenge of my first year has been managing the financial demands of college. One of the biggest challenges I faced as a new student was financial constraints. It was difficult to balance fees, books, and other expenses while trying to maintain a decent standard of living. Financial challenge affected my ability to fully engage in academic activities. I was worried about missing classes or assignments due to the financial stress. This, in turn, impacted my adherence to the CSU rule of being a respectful student. It was thought to maintain a positive attitude and participate actively in class discussions. To overcome these challenges, I had to rely on my time management and problem solving skills. I created a detailed budget to prioritize expenses and allocated specific time slots for studying and leisure activities. I also sought help from the financial aid office and student organizations to explore potential scholarships and part-time jobs opportunities. By effectively managing my finances in time, I expect to improve my academic performance and overall well-being. I hope to become a more engaged and respectful student, actively participating in class discussion and contributing to the CSU community. The journey as a CSU newbie hasn't been easy, but with determination and the right skills, I am confident that I can overcome any obstacles. I am excited to see what the future holds and to make the most of my college experience.